Welcome to the Proctology Training Workshop at Gupta Laser Piles Clinic. Led by course director Dr. Pankaj Gupta, this intensive 2-day training brings together theory, real-time surgical experience, and expert guidance in laser proctology. Participants begin with in-depth theoretical sessions covering proctology basics, detailed surgical anatomy, and advanced diagnostic approaches. One of the key highlights, a live demonstration of procedures in the operation theatre combined with hands-on practice, gives doctors a real-time learning experience. Focused individual coaching helps each participant master techniques in laser treatment for piles, fissure, fistula, and pilonidal sinus. Interactive Q&A sessions and detailed case studies, including over 1,300 analyzed laser cases, provide clarity, confidence, and insight into practical application. From clinical examinations and video proctoscopy to conservative treatments, every step is covered to ensure well-rounded skill development. Participants also explore rare and complex cases through video presentations and gain crucial insights into pre- and post-operative management. With continued post-training guidance and a roadmap to start their own laser practice, participants leave ready to deliver better care with confidence. Join our next workshop and elevate your skills. Website, email or registration QR code on screen. Website guptapilesclinic.com, phone 951 850 5983.